Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to make an easy and delicious breakfast recipe, something quick, simple, and perfect for busy mornings. This recipe is also a trending one, so you'll be serving up something that's not only tasty but super popular right now. Whether you call it breakfast or nashta, this is a go-to recipe you can whip up in no time. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need for today's recipe: 2 large eggs, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 tomato, diced, 1 green chili, optional, but adds a nice kick, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt and pepper to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnish, 1 tablespoon oil or butter, 2 slices of bread, optional for serving, spices, a pinch of turmeric and garam masala for flavor. This recipe is super versatile, so feel free to add any other veggies you like, such as bell peppers, spinach, or even mushrooms. You can also adjust the spices based on your taste preference. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get started by prepping the veggies. First, finely chop the onion and green chili. The smaller the pieces, the faster they'll cook and blend with the eggs. Dice the tomato into small cubes, and we'll be ready to go. If you like your nashta a bit spicier, you can leave the seeds in the chili. If you prefer a milder flavor, just remove the seeds before chopping. The green chili is optional, but it really enhances the flavor. Heat a tablespoon of oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them sizzle for a few seconds until fragrant. This step adds a beautiful depth of flavor to your breakfast dish. Next, toss in the chopped onions and sauté them for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn golden brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning. Now, add the green chili and diced tomato to the pan. Sprinkle in a pinch of turmeric for color and stir everything together. Let this mixture cook for another 2 minutes or until the tomatoes soften and begin to break down. At this point, the masala will smell absolutely amazing. It's this spiced onion and tomato base that will give our breakfast recipe that authentic, bold flavor. Now it's time to add the eggs. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them lightly with a pinch of salt and pepper. You can add a dash of garam masala here for extra flavor if you like. Once the masala in the skillet is ready, lower the heat slightly and pour the eggs directly into the pan. Stir gently to combine the eggs with the spiced onion and tomato mixture. The key is to cook the eggs on a low flame so they stay soft and fluffy. Keep stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes until the eggs are fully cooked but still moist. We don't want them to get too dry. If you're in the mood for a creamy texture, you can even add a splash of milk or cream to the eggs before whisking. Once the eggs are cooked to perfection, it's time to finish with a fresh garnish. Chop up some coriander leaves and sprinkle them over the top. The fresh herbs not only add a pop of color but also bring a bright, fresh flavor that complements the spices beautifully. Now, if you want to serve this nashta in a more filling way, you can toast up a couple of slices of bread on the side. Or if you're feeling extra indulgent, use some naan or paratha to make it a real treat. The eggs can also be wrapped up in a tortilla for a quick breakfast wrap. Now that we've covered the basic recipe, let's talk about some variations you can try. If you want to skip the eggs, you can substitute them with paneer or tofu. Just crumble it into the masala and cook for a few minutes until heated through. You can throw in any veggies you have on hand. Spinach, mushrooms, or bell peppers work really well. Just sauté them with the onions and tomatoes before adding the eggs. For a cheesy upgrade, sprinkle some shredded cheese over the eggs in the final minute of cooking and let it melt into the dish. It adds a creamy, indulgent touch that everyone will love. This recipe is all about simplicity and versatility. You can make it your own with whatever ingredients you have available. Plus, it's nutritious, packed with protein from the eggs, and full of flavor from the spices. And there you have it. A quick and easy nashta recipe that's perfect for any time of day. Whether you're making it for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner, this dish is sure to hit the spot. It's trending for a reason: simple ingredients, bold flavors, and minimal effort. What more could you ask for? I hope you enjoyed this recipe and feel inspired to try it at home. If you do, don't forget to let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and trending recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!